everybody. Today we have beautiful Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 9. It's an Intel Core i5 11th Gen laptop. We'll take it apart, let's see what we can upgrade, replace and fix. Let's start with all the bottom screws. I took out already a few of them so it's faster. That's the rest of the screws. So that's our bottom cover. Now we have access to all the internal components. Start always with disconnecting the battery. So let's take out all the screws for the battery. Okay, so as we can see, we can replace the battery if it doesn't hold the charge or it's swollen. That's how we can take it out. Here we have our part number, the through number. Now let's access our storage. So it's hidden under that cover. That's our SSD NVMe drive. So if you need to upgrade the storage or replace it because it doesn't work, this is how you can do it. Now let's take out our cooling. So if your fan doesn't work or makes grinding noise, laptop overheats, then you can replace fan heatsink assembly. Disconnect it from the motherboard and gently lift it up. Sometimes it may be stuck to the processor because of that cooling paste, so be very gentle. If you bend it, it won't work anymore. Here we have the part number. Now let's see if we can take out our speakers. That's very important. If your sound is bad, then you can replace your speakers. Let's see. So after you take out these screws, gently disconnect it from the motherboard. That's our speaker set, left and right. Here we have the part number. Now let's take out the motherboard. So disconnect all the cables that are connected here. So leave this metal clip and now we can disconnect the cable. Now disconnect the Wi-Fi antennas. Disconnect this cable the same way. Okay, now let's take out all the remaining screws. And now we can take out our motherboard. Oh, one more connector here. Alright, so this is our motherboard. Here we have the part number. That's our processor. Unfortunately, it's soldered on the motherboard, so if it doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. And here we have our Palmrest keyboard assembly, so let's disconnect hinges for the screen. Now gently unfold the Palmrest keyboard assembly, and this is how you can disconnect it. Here we have the part number. And that's usually, this part is sold in one piece, like the keyboard and the touchpad and the Palmrest. If you need parts, check gotlaptopparts.com. And that's our screen assembly. Here we have the part number on the video cable. Very fragile, so usually sold in one piece. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.